rest in my heart. What should I say in your praise? You became my life. I tried searching for you, but I couldn't find you. Give me your arms. Now what is the punishment for my prayers? The ocean of my heart has become love. Give yourself to me. You have definitely become mine. How did you cast a spell at first sight? My life has become yours. Who knows what will happen? What will happen? Who knows? Come and live this moment. I have bowed down and prayed for millions of prayers. I have found you again because I loved you. I have asked for winds for you. I have found you again. I have loved you so much, body. Make me ride in a moment. You will go away, O lover of mine. Why wait for death? Will it kill my lover, won't it? Or will it kill me? Will it kill me? I am more angry with death. You are the only one in my heart whom I consider mine. How did you like it? Did you like it? Who has only you in my heart whom I consider mine? How did you like it? Did you like it? Don't take you from me, I cried. I cried while searching for you.